So this young man is going to tell us what is the use of this grass in poultry farming. So take us through.
This grass is called Russian comfrey.
Russian.
Russian comfrey.
Okay.
It's a magical plant.
Okay.
Very magical. I encourage every farmer that has chicken, that has rabbits, that has goats, that has cattle to have this grass in his farm. This grass it is medicinal, first of all. It has vitamins, vitamin B1, vitamin B. It has most vitamins. This grass has almost 18% crude proteins.
Okay.
This grass boosts the immunity system of the bird.
Okay.
For me, to cut costs,
you give your birds.
I give these birds this Russian comfrey.
Okay.
You can either just tie them into the chicken coop,
and they eat them.
They eat them very well.
Okay.
And if you have time, very well, I encourage you, instead of if you don't have banana peelings, you can cut them into small pieces and add them
in their feeds. Okay.
I'm telling you, this grass makes these birds become fat.
So in case someone needs some seedlings, do you avail them?
Yeah, we have them.
Okay.
If somebody wants 1,000, because we saw our farmers, some farmers have planted them, and in 1 acre they plant 600 seedlings, and half an acre they plant 300 seedlings.
How much is a seedling?
Each seedling is only 3,000.
3,000.
And you buy them once. So I teach you how to propagate them, and you enlarge them in your farm. So I encourage every farmer to have this Russian comfrey in their farms to reduce costs and also to reduce some problems of diseases on the farm.
Okay. It is medicinal as well as cutting costs. So you decided to plant it at your farm?
Yeah, I have them at my poultry farm and also in the village. So that I give to my clients.
Okay.
So in case you need 200, in case you need 100, just contact me.
Okay.
I give them to you, and I also teach you how to use them.
Okay. You buy these seedlings once
in your lifetime. It's like local birds.
You buy local birds once.
You can buy our local birds, we give you names, then you thank us.
Okay.
Yeah, the category of Uganda. I usually tell people, encourage people to grow coffee. Coffee takes something like 50 years, 30 years.
You plant once and begin harvesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So local birds and these Russian comfrey are like coffee. You buy them once
and enjoy.
The rest of your life.
Okay.
Your children and your bazukuru will enjoy.
Okay. Rotone, they are in the process of launching their hatchery. Let's go and see the hatchery. So, Mr. Najib, you're going to begin hatching your own chicks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I used to hatch, but I used to use other people's hatchery. So the reason why I bought this hatchery, this hatchery, it seems to be expensive. But if you stay in local poultry like for 1 year and master the art of local poultry, this is nothing to you. If you master very well the art of local poultry and concentrate very well in your business, be creative, have good marketing skills, you can start this.
Okay.
I have my farmers who have bought cars in local poultry. So the reason why I started this hatchery, it's going to open in late December. But my birds, I used to hatch my birds in certain hatcheries. So these some people, not all hatcheries, but certain hatchery, they used to steal my birds.
Okay.
Yeah. I was hatching something like 2,000. They gave me 1,500.
That the rest.
I asked myself, where are the 500? They bring other eggs. You can't. unless when they are born. Not all hatcheries,
but some.
but some few.
And let's hope that when you begin this one and when customers come, you'll not behave like those.
No. Particularly, this hatchery, I made it for my outgrowers, not everybody. My outgrowers, this is for to empower local poultry farmers. Not all farmers allow them. Only most my outgrowers. So I'll give them chicks and I'll show them that you bring this hatchery. This hatchery will attract traders. This hatchery will attract traders. We even have some connection of traders. So this bottle farm that doesn't have right connection for selling these chicks or for selling fertilized eggs or selling what, will first put their eggs into the hatchery. So some traders will come and tell you, I give you this money. Hey, and if that is business. This is business. Right. So I'm trying so hard to create market for my outgrowers, people who buy my chicks. That's my focus.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. Kindly subscribe, share, drop something into the comment section. And if you have any query, if you have any question, if you have anything you want to inquire about local poultry farming, Mr. Nahib is the right person. By the way, he has a YouTube channel. You can go there. There is a lot of information to learn more about local poultry. Kindly let us know your channel, sir.
And my channel is on YouTube. We are using Rotoone Local Poultry Breeders. And also on TikTok, we are there. We are using Rotoone Local Poultry Breeders. So, you try us. We have a good parental stock.
As you've seen, it is really good.
With good cost. We shall help you to reach your dreams. In local poultry, we shall teach you the art.
We need to know the art.
You have to play in local poultry so that you reach the maximum.
Okay. So if you're there and you're looking which venture can you put your money, it is local poultry farming. Rotoone has the best. You've seen the breed. You know, there is something where we just talk, but you've seen with your own eyes. Come at Rotoone, Matuga. Give us your contact once again.
0701.
Slowly, sir.
0701.
Yes.
43 6979. You can either call or WhatsApp. They are there.
Thank you so much. A lot more is still coming. See you another time. Bye-bye.